In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through a simple way to open a file from a chat in Teams and send it to your printer. This is really helpful if someone has shared a document with you and you want a physical copy, but you're not sure where to find the print option inside Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat area. You can do this by looking at the left-hand side of your screen and clicking on the chat icon. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live. Make sure you open the chat where the file you want to print was shared, so you're working in the right place. Once you're in the correct chat, look near the top of the window and click on the tab called Files. This tab collects all the documents that have been shared in that specific chat, which makes it much easier than scrolling back through messages trying to find attachments. Give it a second to load, especially if there are a lot of files. Next, you'll be asked to select an account if you have more than one associated with Teams or with your organization. For example, you might see different work or school accounts. Choose the account that actually has access to the file you want to print. If you pick the wrong one, you may see an error or an empty file list, so double check you're selecting the correct profile. After selecting your account, you'll see a list of files. Find the document you'd like to print. When you see it, hover your mouse over the file name and look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to open a small drop-down menu with several actions you can take on that file. From that menu, look for the option labeled Print and click on it. This will open your browser or your system's print preview window depending on your setup. Here, you can choose your printer, select how many copies you need, and adjust settings like color, page range, and orientation. Take a quick moment to review these options so you don't waste paper or ink. When everything looks good, confirm the print command. Your document will now be sent to the printer, and you've successfully printed a file from Microsoft